This Millennial Realty property video is presented by Scott Rubson. Move-in ready. Wonderful 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom property that was just recently renovated. LVP flooring is installed throughout the home. Stainless steel appliances and granite countertops in the kitchen as well. The patio is right off the kitchen so you can enjoy your backyard. Non-refundable $50 application fee for all adults over 18. Anyone 18 or older living in home must apply and pay application fee. Pets are conditional, breed restrictions apply. Non-refundable pet fee of $500, pet, no pets over 40 pounds, 2 pet max. No smoking. Renter's insurance is required. Agent has ownership interest in property. For more information, review the